20 minutes. That's all I had after clocking out last Saturday. And honestly, that tiny window did more for my weekend income than 4-hour sessions ever did. Because the problem was never that you weren't working hard enough. Here's what was actually happening. Those long marathon sessions, the 4-hour Saturday grinds where you lock yourself in a room with a laptop and a cold cup of coffee, they feel productive. They feel like you're doing the work. But think about what happens next. You're fried by Sunday. Monday hits. You're back at the job. And by Wednesday, you've completely lost momentum. 2 weeks later, you've quit and nothing actually got built. And here's the part that nobody talks about. Every time that cycle repeats, it gets a little bit harder to start again. The gap between where you are and where you want to be doesn't just stay the same, it quietly widens. Now compare that to 20 minutes every single day. No negotiation. No, I'll make it up this weekend. Just a short, focused block after you clock out. Here's why that works. A system that runs every single day beats a burst that dies on Thursday every time. It's not even close. Consistency compounds. The daily repetition creates real traction, the kind that builds on itself instead of resetting every week. And when you keep showing up in small windows, you actually build something. Instead of just planning to build something during your next marathon session that never comes. Think about where you were 6 months ago. If you started then, even with 20 minutes a day, where would you be right now? That's not a guilt trip. That's the point. The cost of waiting another 6 months isn't zero. It's whatever you would have built. The shift isn't about finding more time. It's about using the time you already have and refusing to let a short window be an excuse. Small and consistent always wins over big and sporadic. That's not motivational stuff. That's just how momentum works. So if what I just walked through resonates with you, here's what I would say. Don't let today be another day you meant to start. Go to the HBA Turnkey app and take a look at a done for you system built specifically to work inside those small time blocks, not around them. 80 cents of every dollar comes back to you, and the system handles the selling so you can close your laptop and actually enjoy your evening. The link is in the description below. 20 minutes from now, you could already be moving.